Hello everyone, I am Mr. Easy and you are welcome to Easy Peasy. Today I'm going to teach you how to take a quick nap at work without being caught by your boss. Now, make sure you have a Bible beside you. Then put your head on the desk and take a nap confidently.
Hello, man. How you keeping in office?
No boss, I was praying.
Oh, okay. Amen.
See? Easy peasy, right? Congratulations. You have successfully learned how to take a nap without being caught by your boss. Now, if you want to learn more, don't forget to like and leave a comment. And don't forget to keep it easy peasy.